Yeah, I got no right authority. Very little. Good morning, YouTube. Long time no see with some wings. May 3rd, 2022. Finally going to Maiden this little AR Mini that I built end of last summer. Never did get it up in the air, never attempted to. So that's what today is. Winds are pretty much non-existent out here at Sparks, our radio club. And we're going to see what we can do to maiden this bird out, man. It's been a while. Been curious. There's a couple things I ain't liking about control surfaces. So let's see. Hey, I forgot the hat cam and the hat strap for this camera. So I'm just going to set it up on the table there. And you can watch from behind me. Let's give it a whirl. All right, let's go see. I'm flying this on the Jumper T16 Pro. AR Mini. Forgot my neck strap. Oh. I'm gonna walk over to the grass and do this in case it does a nosedive. I want to come over here so I can tell you what I got going on. Just as I thought, what I was in fear of. Limited right bank. I mean, barely nothing. Huh. Yeah, we're gonna... I can't show you up there. I don't have my hat cam on today. Limited right, man. Left is all good. Right is terrible. Right is terrible. I'm fully trimmed out to the right. I can't even keep it straight. Yeah, I got no right authority. Very little. So we got to do some work. We got to do some work on it. It's flying, but no, man, not good. We got limited down, limited right, man. Try to bring it low so you can see it past the camera at least. Yep, gotta make some adjustments. I got no right, man. No right. Terrible right. I shouldn't even keep flying. I should be bringing it in. Left's all good. Do some manual adjustments, manual trim. I don't know if you can see it passing there, but woo, such a slow right turn is scary. So slow, it is scary, guys. I don't like to do that too much, not with no authority. Left's great.
2 minutes.
So yeah, we're gonna bring it in. Keep it right so I can make my left banks. The right is terrible. I don't know how our landing's gonna go. Bring it down. Bring it down there. Land it up this way. So I got that left turn, you know. Well, there you have it. No right turn authority. It's gonna need some manual trim, some work on the control surfaces there, see what's going on, the rods, servos, whatever. Yeah, let me go retrieve it. Remember to do this.
Throttle cut.
Throttle cut. Let me go get it. Yeah, we got no right, man. I don't know what's going on there, but I don't know. Quite weird. Travel looks the same. I know my down was terrible as well. I mean, it was okay. I see what the problem is. I got right elevon coming up, left elevon barely going down. That's the problem on that turn. If you look, I turned left, we got left up, right hemming down. I turn right, we got the right up. Watch this left. Barely anything. So we'll have to figure out what the heck's going on there. Hey, well, had a successful Maiden, almost not. So stick with us. I'll be putting out more videos, and we'll see if we can get this girl figured out. Quite sure we will. But yeah, that's it for today. Drove all the way out here because I've been sitting on this thing for about 10 months after the build.
Telemetry lost.
Shut this transmitter off. Been sitting on this thing for about 10 months since the build and haven't maidened it. And finally got at it today. But we have an issue with that left elevon coming down on the right bank. It's barely moving for some reason. I trimmed that thing out all the way to the right, full trim, just to try to keep it, because I would let off the sticks and that thing would just roll off to the left, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work on it. Too bad, you know, where I live in the city, I can't work on it in the man cave and step outside and throw it again. I gotta drive out here 35 minutes from my home every time I want to try something, and I didn't bring tools today or extra batteries. Usually that's what I do, you know, so I can work on it. I got limited time, excuse me. But anyways, yeah, stick with us. I'm your host, Big Phase with Screaming Wings RC, and we're gonna be bringing you more. I'm out of here.